Well, hello again, Solis Wealth family. Greg Solis here for the bi-weekly market update. First of all, just kind of want to give you a quick update on the family. By the time you watch this video, I will have dropped Nicole off at the airport. She flies out on August 17th, this Monday, at 8:30 in the morning. I do not get to go with her. None of us get to go. They have a quarantine there. She'll be in a bubble quarantine. She did test negative for the COVID-19, so she's able to go. She had to test negative 72 hours before her depart date. All is well. She's getting ready to go. But I could tell you, you could be praying for me right now if you're getting this on Monday or Tuesday, because I know my heart is going to be broken. This has been tough. It's been pretty emotional. Over the years, I've been writing her a letter every single year. I did this for Jack and Emily as well. And every year on their birthday, I write them a letter and just kind of share how much I love them, share as much wisdom as I can. And the thought was always to give it to her on the day that she heads off to college. Well, here it is. Nicole's letters from Dad are being given to her. I've been reading through some of these and I just cry my eyes out. So it's pretty cool to have almost 200 pages of Dad's wisdom in one little tight bundle here. So that's what's going on with the Solis family. Jack will be virtual, so he's home for the fall semester. Emily's virtual, as I've probably mentioned before. She's starting her sophomore year. But all in all, the Solis family as well. But it's going to be a very emotional time over these next couple of weeks here. So keep us in your thoughts and prayers. Market-wise, everything's doing really well. It's crazy to see what's taking place. The S&P 500 is now just a fraction off of its all-time high. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is still off about 5% from its all-time high, and the NASDAQ is actually way above its all-time high that we hit back in February. So overall, the equity markets have done very well. As we know, interest rates are still real low. So the Treasury bond is, the 10-year Treasury is under 1%, and it's at about 0.60%, which is crazy. Those are historical lows. And the market's just trying to figure out where's the next move, what's going on. And I think to some extent, as I've mentioned over these past few market commentaries, that I believe that the market has probably gotten a little ahead of itself. I think that we feel the pause right now because we're trying to hit the all-time high. We just can't get through it. So I think it's going to be hard the rest of the year to go much higher on the equity markets. But if we hit our all-time high in the S&P 500, catch this. If this happens here in the next few days, which most likely will, it'll be the fastest recovery ever in the history of the markets that we recover down 30% or more. So it has been a huge, huge recovery. So all in all, the economy looks a little better. Employment numbers came out. We were under 1 million of new unemployment claims. That's good. Some are suggesting that we might go to single digits in unemployment. That's great news. So economy's starting to pick up a little bit, but it sure would be nice to get this COVID thing behind us. Who knows? Lots of rumors of vaccines and things like that. I have a hunch that if we get through the election, get a vaccine, things are going to settle down a little bit. So that's it for now. My very best to you and your family. I know many of you are also probably dropping off your kids or grandkids at school, and so those of you that are doing that and sending the kids off to college, especially for the first time, you'll be in my thoughts and prayers as well, because it's a challenging time, very emotional, but very exciting at the same time. She is ecstatic. The idea of her having to stay home just doesn't fly with her, and I don't blame her. So anyways, with that, my very best to you. You know we're here for you. Stay safe, and don't hesitate to call if you need us. Take care for now. God bless. Bye-bye.